Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. Thank you for joining us again. We have made it through Valentine's Day, thank God. We've made it through President's Day, thank goodness. Now, we've got one holiday coming up. It's probably not as well known, but I think it's more popular than the rest of them put together. And that is this Wednesday, February 22nd, is National Margarita Day. I know it's one of our favorite holidays around here, and I still can't figure out why it's not a federal holiday. If we're going to do something, we might as well do something positive. So, without a whole lot more, if you like what you see today, hit the like button, leave us a comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today we are making a strawberry margarita. So let's get pouring. I'm going to start off with some fresh strawberries. And we've got 4 or 5 strawberries that have been cut in half. They're going to go in our shaker glass. We're going to put in there 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice because you know fresh is best. And next what's going in there is agave. You can use simple syrup if you want. Agave is a nice natural sugar. That's where you get the tequila from. That's going in there. And now we're going to muddle those together. Going to break down those berries. Going to get some of that juice out of there. That agave is going to help sweeten them up because we're not really into strawberries. Using the silver tequila today. We're using Milagro. We're going to put 1.5 ounces. And you can use a full 2 if you want. Heck, it's National Margarita Day. Let's go for 2 ounces of the silver tequila. And last but not least, our final ingredient in there is Orange Curacao. Now, we went to great pains to get this. We had to go all the way down to the island of Curacao, and we are going to put in there 1 ounce of Curacao. Get some ice. We got some crushed ice in there. We're going to grab our shaker tin, give it a good slap, and give it a good shake to chill it. Oh, look at that. Okay, next stop is our margarita glass. I've had it chilled with crushed ice. I've taken some salt and put it around half of the rim. I'm going to dump that ice out of there. We're going to grab our strainer, nice strain. Got every last drop of this one in there. Step in there is garnishing. We are going to use a cut strawberry. That's going to go on the side of our glass. And there you have a fresh... Wait. Who's here? Oh, where you been? There you go. Try it.
I'm chasing the dog. Excellent. It's good.
And this is why I say fresh is best.
It's good.
Cheers, everyone.
Happy Margarita Day.